There are various ways to make money online. Here are a few popular methods. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills writing, graphic design, programming, etc. on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. 2. Online surveys and tasks. Participate in online surveys or perform small tasks on websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or Inbox Dollars. 3. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast. Once you gather an audience, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. For e-commerce, sell products on platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. You can also create your own online store using Shopify or WooCommerce. 5. Teaching and tutoring. Offer online courses, webinars, or tutoring sessions on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Chegg Tutors. 6. Stock market or cryptocurrency trading. Invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex trading. Be cautious and do thorough research before starting. Remember, success in making money online often requires dedication, time, and effort. It's important to research and choose a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. Additionally, be cautious of scams and always verify the legitimacy of opportunities before investing time or money.